boy. So we got JF on the old Tri-Moto 175 and the Blaster 200 here is the race of the day. So you guys take your pick. Who do you think's winning, bud? Who do you think?
We should try this one after, boys.
Yeah, we'll do that too. We'll do.
I say.
I think the Blaster will get it.
8 lengths on the Blaster.
That much?
Yeah.
Jeez. Okay. All right. I think the Blaster's going to get it too, just because it's got that 6th gear. But well, we'll see what happens. Yeah, this will probably take everything. Hey, by the way, check out Gino's 250R built out of it. What year is that? CR250? 01 CR250. Made the triple clamps himself. Did everything. Got 300DX rear fenders. Blah blah blah. Oh, here they come. What do we got? Take your guess. Oh, by
18 lengths, bud.
Well, I guess you got to run the Blaster against the 250R, which isn't really a race, but we'll do it. Why not?
Yeah, let's do it.
More than I thought. By more than I thought.
It rips, dude. Hey, man, the old Tri-Ski did good.
That Tri-Moto does pretty good, man, for what it is there. Look at this guy. The real MVP, bud. Oh, coming in. All right, we'll get a little bit of 250R and Blaster action here. All right, so we're getting a little 250R versus Blaster action. So we have a bit of a situation here.
CR250, we know, motocross bikes hit about 80 mile an hour.
45, 40 horse or whatever they are.
That's all they got. Or 80 kilometers an hour, I guess.
Blaster, 20 horse, no power.
Gears.
Yeah. Slower. Lighter though. He's got 20s in the back.
Yep.
CR250's got 18s.
Yep.
And here's where science. This is where science time is going to come in, bud. What about science time? Okay, so we got a hidden little thing. The Blaster, you know what I mean?
Yeah.
Has another gear.
It does.
So depending on how far back they go, the question is that CR250 going to run out of gear?
Yep.
And then the Blaster, inevitably, which will be behind, will click 6 and eventually walk it down.
Is the Supercross legend going to get beat by a kid's toy?
The Blaster has already claimed 1 victim today. We're already 1 injury in. We're 15 minutes in the ride. Oh, I hear him.
Oh, come on. Let's...
Ah, they're too close. I can still hear him clicking gears. I don't think they went far back. Well, oh no, I think Gino's out of gear.
Out of gear.
I think he's out of gear. Oh man, not even close.
Way faster.
Woo! Flipping. You know what? I really thought the Blaster had a little bit of a chance up top.
So maybe like with a very, very long run.
Maybe with a very long run.
Do we do that?
I don't think Gino's gonna want to hold it open forever though, you know what I mean? Like, you know what would have been good to prove this? The gun.
Yep. You see the axle?
No. What did I miss?
Turn the brakes, the axle was going like that.
Oh really?
Is that a Nietzsche axle? Oh yeah.
Yeah, you right, it's a Nietzsche axle.
Dude, you hit the brakes, the axle was going like this.
I think it's my hubs that are loose.
I'd probably blame it on the Nietzsche, but oh, it is loose, eh? Oh, it's just loose splines probably. It's just probably because the splines on the Nietzsche axle are 40 thou out. It's not a big deal, really.
Oh boy.
Yep.
Okay, well that's
that. We were saying when you guys were gone that we think the Blaster had a good chance of walking it down. We thought it was gonna like run by it there.
So you're right in a long run.
I think in like a really long run, the Blaster might actually. Yeah, no, we heard you. Yeah,
air cool.
Yeah,
under.
Yeah, it is what it is.
Blaster is good for what it is, though.
Yep.
I'd say.
Not bad.
Yep.
That concludes, bud.
No more science behind that one.
Science loses today, bud. Don't care about your gear ratio, my guy. What a guy. The bumper pad, bud. You know what's funny? I just turned on the camera and got it. Like I just turned it on. What's up, dude? What's up, dude? Fuck all, you know. Oh boy. Yeah. Very nice. Oh, the Tri-Moto 175 is coming, but I don't know about this. Not a chance, bud, not a chance. Oh, the rear fender delete, bud. That bumper's doing good.
Hey! Subscribe to the channel.